Hello, great and wonderful viewers. I want to start by looking at this. They said Tinubu, that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is sharing 5 million naira each to Igbo actors through Engineer Joe Ibokwe for endorsement. They said about 5 actors have collected theirs. I want to start acting so that Joe Ibokwe will hand me over my own. And you could imagine, I heard Bola Tinubu said he doesn't need Igbo and South-South votes. That is Southeast and South-South votes. So how comes he is dashing people money to convince others? It seems he feels Nollywood can influence us so much that we don't know what we want again. Well, you've seen the video of Zach Oji and one other actor.
Enyendeba Igbo ekele m unu. Afọ m bụ Benedict Johnson Obiako, nwa afọ Igbo na-eme ihe onyonyo. Biko ndị Igbo nwe m nọ. Achọrọ m ka onye ọbụla gee ntị na ihe a m chọrọ ịkọwara unu. Achọrọ m ka ndị Igbo mekwa ụdị mistake anyị mere na 2015 Igbo niile gbakọtara wee kwụrụ sọsọ ofu ebe tụba votu tụchaa. Igbo niile wee taa afụfụ for 8 years. Biko nọ, ana m ayọ ndị Igbo ka onye ọbụla wepụta obi ka atụnyere ndị ebe a, etinyelu ndị ebe a. Nya ana m ayọ unu ka unu niile etinyelu Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the Jagaban, the city boy. Biko nọ, tụnyelu na ya, maka na unu tụnyelu ya, ọ ya adịle ndị Igbo mma. Nke a bụ ezigbote nkwa a na-ekwe ndị Igbo. Unu tụnyelu ya, Igbo ọ ga-abara anyị uru. Biko nọ, kaigano kedu ebe anyị na-aga APC o ebe sere azịza onye ọbụla weta votu ka tinyelu unu Jagaban ka tinye ebe ọ ga-adịrị anyị mma ka tinye. Igbo ekele m unu chachacha Igbo kwen.
You've seen their videos. The other one said and I keep wondering, at the end of his rubbish, he said we should vote for Tinubu. But he started by telling us not to put our egg in one basket. But he concluded by saying vote for Tinubu. That is one basket still. Anyway, Igbo people, shine your eyes. Tinubu, Tinubu, with the way Tinubu ruled Lagos. Let's even talk about Tinubu and Lagos slightly. With Tinubu's antecedent in Lagos State, if he wins as in presidential election of Nigeria, he will become the emperor of Nigeria. He will decide who wins local government chairman in the 774 local government areas. He will decide who becomes president till he dies, and he may hand over to Remy after 16 years. Lagos is an example. So you think about who you are handing over the country to. We're not talking about management now, but what becomes of Nigeria after Tinubu? Go and check Lagos. Now, Tinubu's daughter is called a Yaloja General of Lagos, in charge of every market. She doesn't work for the market. She doesn't do anything for the market. But each market is contributing almost 5 million naira daily in Lagos for this lady. All the markets in Lagos. And this is who we want to hand Nigeria over to. Major construction companies in Lagos are being managed by these people. Someone will say he has bought up Lagos. His son is being lined up among those who will become Lagos governor, maybe after Sanwo-Olu's second tenure. His wife is a member of the Senate. His daughter is a Yaloja, and I believe he has several other relatives that are managing several positions. So what becomes of Nigeria? That is what you should also think. Aside many problems with his coming, let's also think about what becomes of Nigeria with Tinubu and after Tinubu. And by the way, the Tinubu Muslim ticket is still causing stirrs in the country. Now here is what Yakubu Dogara, who is a former House of Representatives speaker, said. He said, if Muslims in the north don't trust a southern Muslim for any reasons, why should Christians in Nigeria trust a Muslim from the south and north? Christians should seek for alternative party in 2023. APC wants to disintegrate Nigeria like Yugoslavia and USSR. Righteousness exalts a nation, but sin is a reproach to my people. Truth must be told. Anyone who is not bringing us together is consciously tearing us apart. In rounding off, there is a claim that a Christian cleric in a circulating video approved of the Muslim ticket of Tinubu and Shetima. But the fact is that the video has been recorded even before the various parties, APC and the rest, did their conventions. I saw the video many months ago and I heard it's even up to a year or two. It has nothing to do with the endorsement of Muslim ticket. The cleric in his sermon was admonishing Christians that many has failed as regards to stewardship and can't be trusted with leadership positions. He was saying there is no longer the fear of God and living that true Christian life, and there couldn't be any difference having Christians occupy certain positions in the country. That was not in any way supporting a Muslim ticket. Aside too, all of those opposed to the Muslim ticket are not really talking about having a good Christian to be Tinubu's running mate, but that there should be a balance in a country that is already heated due to several reasons, of which religion is a major factor. Meanwhile, enjoy the video.
I keep hearing people say, hey, Christians need to be in power. Christians need to do this, sir. Is it with this kind of Christianity? With this kind of Christianity is when we'll be in power. A Christianity that is lame, a Christianity that is weak. You think, sir, when we were on the other side, let me tell you first of all the physical side before we do the spiritual side. When we were on the other side, there is a statement. It's simple. You go anywhere, they tell you al-Muslim akul Muslim. Anywhere you go to, they will tell you a Muslim is the brother of a Muslim. I have shared with you here a terrible thing. I hate sharing it. I was sent by the Archbishop somewhere and I got stranded on the way. I went to a church to go and tell them that they should, I want to spend the night there. I heard the pastor and the wife arguing inside. I told them, I said, look, I will not sleep in your house. I want to sleep in the church. Sir, they didn't allow me. I left that place and walked to a mosque. The only thing I said is Assalamu alaikum. And he looked at me, he said, Mala. He said, Lafiya. I said, Nima tafine. He said, Bismillah, Bismillah, Bismillah. He said, I should sit. Bismillah. So he told me he was eating his garagaro. He said, Malam, Bismillah, kadoka chokali, mucha abunchi. Sir, we finished. He said, Malam, he said, Masalachin na muke kwana. In case say ko kwanta. Sir, I slept in the mosque. In the morning, before the early morning prayers, before he knows that it is not, I only say Salamu Alaikum. I quickly step out. Sir, is it with that kind of Christianity are you thinking we can dismantle that force? Our self-centered, self-seeking, self-glorifying Christianity. A Christianity that only thinks about himself.